In a magical forest, where ancient trees whispered secrets and glowing flora lit the path, lived a curious little squirrel named Lama. One peaceful afternoon, as she foraged for berries, a peculiar rhythmic knocking echoed through the quiet woods. Her heart fluttering with a mix of wonder and apprehension, Lama cautiously approached the source of the sound. Each tiny step brought her closer to a grand, ancient tree, its bark gnarled with age. With a deep breath, she extended a tiny paw. The moment her paw met the bark, the knocking ceased. A soft, warm light emanated from the tree, spreading like a gentle wave. The magical glow subtly spread through the surrounding forest, illuminating the leaves and flora, bringing a profound peace and silence. The light slowly faded, leaving the forest calm and tranquil. Lama looked around, then turned back to the tree, a gentle smile forming. She understood that not everything needs to be opened. Some things just need understanding and a gentle touch.